Hi, I am a Tripuri girl belonging to a very small community in Tripura. Today, I'm not going to hold myself for political atrocities and fear of communism. This is about society as a whole. A 17-year-old girl is being raped in a moving vehicle, and the media of our country decides not to cover this story. Why? Because they're more interested to know if Kim Jong-un is alive or if Kangana Ranaut is fighting against nepotism. Yes, and the media decides to cover all these stories because the country is not interested to know anymore how many women are being raped, and it should be forgotten like a mere weather report. Sources reveal that the accused men have been identified, but most of them are still roaming freely. Is that because the government is very slow in taking action, or is it because the system of our country is very slow, or are they being backed by political leaders? We, the youth of Tripura, demand justice for the victim and punish those who committed such heinous crime. Please just don't watch this and stand up against the rape culture in our country. We may be a small state in the country, but that doesn't mean we cannot make a statement. We want to feel secure when we step out of our homes. Let's not blame the victim of where she was and how she met them. No should mean no. We have no faith in the law and order system of our country anymore. Very little can we discuss the burning issues of our state Tripura through social media, but then social media barely makes a difference because all the hope lies in the government and the state authorities. So here we ask for a speedy inquiry and action. My request to my virtual family, you all here, is to share and spread this message and awareness to help us get justice for this Tripuri girl. Tini Tripura Khwnai Takho Bukhuk Rona Asik Simino Koijao, Tia Adorino Hanya Shidra Ni Tamo Jadi. Bini Poita no Krakhe Doni monumentally strong client, Tim Abin Badi Mabujanaine. Bini no Poribadi Bororo no Kakrakhaye, Morminavi Tansak Jamabusanine.